Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Tribit Stormbox Flow. This is a portable wireless speaker. It has a really good battery life, up to 30 hours playback time. It's a 25 watts, they say superior sound, IP67 dust and waterproof, so no worries there. Let's have a quick look. Tribit Stormbox Flow. 3 custom sound modes, stereo pairing if you use another speaker. And yeah, what else is in here? Bluetooth 5.3, it works with the Tribit app, and you can take hands-free calls on it. So yeah, let's open it up. Take the bit anywhere, they say. So yeah, let's see. So we get a USB-C to USB-C. And then you also get a one of these straps or lanyard, or the one that you put on a side. So let's just put this back because I'm not going to use it now, and let's just have a look at the speaker itself. So let's put this box aside. So as you can see, I had a look at it before. I've actually tested it. It has a nice sound. Obviously it's a mono speaker, so bear that in mind, because a lot of people they just complain about it, but it's just a mono speaker, it's not stereo. So if you want stereo, buy another one, pair it, and then you have stereo sound. Yeah, you can't compare this one with a stereo speaker because it's not going to sound the same, isn't it? This one is like, if you like bass, and he also has a nice sound, nice highs, mids I've noticed, and some kind of deep bass. But when you take it up to higher volume, unless you're outdoors, indoors you realize it doesn't sound perfect. Even though I've updated the latest firmware, there are some, I don't know, it sounds a bit weird when it's maximum volume. From up to 60, 70, really good. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Rubber fit, so you could stand like that. You can stand up. Obviously, like all the speakers, some people they just say, yeah, push it a bit, and it just, of course, look how thin it is. It will happen. Don't push it. Why are you pushing it? And this is the same as other speakers. It's aluminium. You have the USB-C port, which is exposed, but I think it has some sort of protection. Really nice fit, the Tribit logo. In here it's a passive radiator, same as in here, and that's where you have the speaker itself. There's no tweeter in here, so this will do highs and mids, and then probably some bass, and then this will do the other bass. So yeah, looking forward to test it. Actually, sorry, on the top we have the menu kind of volume rocker up and down, the Bluetooth if you want to pair it with another one. You have the power button, EQ. You can even change the EQ from here, which I really like. And then this is if you want to pair it with another speaker of this. In terms of it's a bit not a bit heavy, but you can feel it's a nice speaker inside. And the reason I bought this is because I really liked the Bose SoundLink, how is it called? Bose SoundLink Flex. No, that's Flex, this is Flow. So I've recently bought this because you know how it is. You really want this speaker initially, but then you probably don't have enough money, so you just buy whatever it was a bit cheaper. And then you also end up buying the speaker that you really want. So yeah, I do like both of them, to be honest. So we'll do a sound comparison between them two, and we'll see which one we prefer. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's just test the Tribit and the Bose. This is a Tribit Flow, and that's the Bose SoundLink Flow. So let's just see how they compare between each other. So we'll start with 50% volume, and let's just start with we will start with the Tribit first. I'm going to switch there. Okay, so first of all I'll be close, and then that's the one that's playing now. Just 1 second, let me stop the fan.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, let's go back to the Tribit. I think it's a bit more boomy, the Tribit.
Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, same volume. I'm gonna go 3 meters away, so it's 50% volume, yeah. So I'll just play again on Tribit. Let's move to the bows. So bows, yeah.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
And we move to Tribit. Let's listen to this part again. So it's still on Tribit.
Words so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Bose. Tribit. Pretty much the same, just Tribit has a bit more bass. Bose, you see, more refined. To be honest, it's not a big difference in terms of how it sounds. Obviously, Bose seems to be a bit more refined, and the bass is not as high as the Tribit. But if you don't have the Bose and you only have Tribit, if you have Bose and you don't have the Tribit, you won't really know the difference. And it's still a really nice speaker, any of them. Also, Tribit is way cheaper. So let's do this now. We'll pump up the volume to the maximum on both, and then we'll just try from the 3 meters first, so you get an idea. Okay, so let me just take the song back again. So we'll start with the Bose.
Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel it.
And then we move to Tribit. Same section of the song.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Yeah, so sound on Tribit, it's kind of all over the place when it's loud, when it's at maximum. So we're gonna try this as well. We'll put them facing forward, and let's just start up from the distance, 3 meters again, almost 3 meters, and we start with a Tribit again.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, so now Bose. Let's turn back.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
guys, so now I came closer and I'm gonna turn the volume down to 50% on both of them, and let's see how it sounds now. Let's just double check, make sure the volume is the same. Okay, so we'll play again this section of the song, and I'm gonna start with the bows.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Hold your breath and feel the
Okay, and Tribit, and I think we can get to a conclusion.
Hiding all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, now let me just show you the same kind of section of the song, and I'll switch between them. So we'll start with the Tribit.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, guys, so a conclusion. They both really good speakers. What can I say? So this one, for my ears, and that's my own opinion, it sounds more refined. The bass is not overwhelming like on this one, and this was with 50% volume. Even at high volume, it still sounds great. There's no distortion. With this one at high volume, the sound is a bit strange. It still doesn't sound bad, but the bass is lowered, and then it just sounds a bit, I don't know, nothing special. Up to 50%, as you can hear, it sounds really good. The bass is deeper than on Bose, and yeah, that's my opinion. You know, if you guys have other opinions, please leave us in the comment. Yeah, so if you like the video, please give us a like, a subscribe, please subscribe, and tell us what you want to see next. What kind of tests shall we do with these speakers? If you want me to compare them on other speakers that I have, let me know. But in my opinion, this one definitely sounds better. But this is not a bad option. It's still a good speaker. It sounds great. It has a bit more bass, up to 50%. Then it still sounds good, as you could hear from my sound sample. But yeah, if I would have the money, I would go for this. But again, you can get two of these, maybe for a closer price on one of these. Actually, it's even cheaper if you get two of this than one of this, I think. No, this is about 109, I think, now, or 120 it was. Kind of this probably 70, so you can pay a little bit extra and get two of these, have a stereo sound. But yeah, if you want only one, I really like this one. And again, if you don't have the money, this is still a good option. It's still the same good build quality. This is aluminium, same as this, or some kind of metal. Yeah, so same kind of construction, same speaker inside, but definitely a different tuning. Thanks for watching.